What did you say, Junior?
Dada,
Yes.
what does the X mean?
The X means like if you have a girlfriend, right?
Yep.
And you and your girlfriend have broke up, right? And she go another way, you go another way, and then again you have another girlfriend. So when you meet your new girlfriend, so you can tell that girl is my ex-girlfriend. That is called X. Now you get it?
Yep. And just before he starts to love me, and now he's going.
But why you want to know? Why you want to know X?
Why? Somebody tell you about this X?
Nope. What is?
I know.
Where did you heard this?
Let me hear this in Teen Titans.
Teen Titans.
It's a cartoon movie.
It's a cartoon movie
Yeah, it's
from
very
cartoon.
Yeah.
Okay. कार्टून पे नसीम तेरा 7 साल का बेटा पूछ रहा है व्हाट इज एक्स.
अरे 7 साल की उम्र में मैं तो गोटी खेलता था. गोटी भौरा पत्ता मीन्स फोटो खेलता था.
तूने 7 साल की उम्र में अपने पेरेंट्स से सवाल किया ऐसा व्हाट इज एक्स.
अरे पागल, मेरे को एक्स ही नहीं मालूम था, वाई नहीं मालूम था, जेड नहीं मालूम था, ये सब कुछ मालूम नहीं था. लड़की क्या थी, लड़की मेरे को पहली बार.
जूनियर व्हाई एट व्हाट एज यू विल गेट मैरिड.
20.
नो 20 30.
नो 20 बूबी.
30
में बुड्ढे लोग शादी करते हैं. बुड्ढी
चुप रहे.
30 में बुड्ढे लोग शादी करते हैं. बुड्ढे.
कौन तेरे को बोला था.
हाँ बुड्ढे.
चुप है.
Junior, you married on 20, okay? In 20 you are the billionaire, okay?
No, you marry when you are 30.
No, booby. Say it. 20, right? Yes. 20.
So you think when you're 20 you will have your own house?
Yes.
I think I'll do that when I'm 19.
See, 19. He become
No.
He make the house when he become a 19.
You look for a girl,
Achha.
and then from 19 to 20.
Jonas, at what age you will marry?
Hey, wait. Then from 19 to 20, you will see a girl, and then you will marry. When you get to 20, okay?
Jonas, at what age you will marry?
20.
No 20 पॉइंट मारूंगी मुंह पे चपाड़.
20 to
30.
20.
Both of you will get married when you're 30.
Say I'm not looking. Why you not marry on 20?
Jonas, you will marry when you're 30, okay?
No, Junior. Jonas, no.
If I ask some
No, you marry on
Naseem,
20.
30 is the right age.
Oh, 30 is the right age. और जब उनको बच्चा हो 10 साल, बच्चा होगा 5 साल के बाद. हाँ, और जब तक के बुढ़े हो, जब तक बच्चा होगा, बोलेंगे क्या तुम दादा हो, ये तुम्हारे बाप है.
Shut up, Naseem.
Shut up.
Junior, you will marry when you're 30.
No, Junior.
20.
Jonas, 30.
20. Baby 20. Dada 20. Yeah.
So Jonas, you think you will have your own house when you're 20?
Yes. Say yes.
They said first.
Okay. Once you have your own house, you come out of my house and then you marry whenever you want to marry. बात ही खलास. चल.
Jonas, मैं तेरे लिए लड़की देख लिया बेटा. तेरे लिए लड़की देख लिया. मस्त वाली आइटम है एकदम. हाँ, मस्त आइटम दिखती है वो.